I finished all my work early, and it is the Monday before Valentine's Day. It means that I want to bake because that's what I do in my free time. So today I'm gonna make some berry streusel bars that I found online, and yeah, let's go. First step for me is to get all of my berries together. So I'm going to be using strawberries as well as blueberries, both frozen, about a cup of each, and I'm just mixing them together ahead of time so that way I don't have to do that in the middle of working on the stove. All right, now it's time to make the filling. Is done, and I can tell you it smells heavenly. Like, it smells so good. I love the smell of cooking berries all the time. Anyway, so I'm about to make my streusel for the bottom and the top.